In order to use Co-Writer in Google Docs or other word processing program, first open up that app, then select the globe at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. This will pull up the Co-Writer keyboard. You will see that the word prediction will appear at the top of the keyboard. I can click on the books in the bottom left-hand corner, and this will pull up my topic dictionary. I can choose to use flexible spelling or not. I can choose which main dictionary I want, and I can also choose which language I want to predict in. When I'm done, I click Done. I can pull up the settings menu by pressing and holding the books as well. Now I see the settings menu. I click on that, and I can change whether it speaks the words, the letters, or the sentences. I can change the rate. I can change the color, the background, and the size of the predictive text. I may want to choose this a larger size in order to bring attention to it for my student. You can see I chose red and a large size font. In order to click off of the Co-Writer keyboard, I'm going to press and hold the books again and choose the globe. Now my Co-Writer keyboard disappears, and I'm back to my normal keyboard. You will see the iOS predictive text up at the top. I can turn this off in the settings menu. Unfortunately, at this point, I need to use the on-screen keyboard in order to use the Co-Writer keyboard. I am not able to use an external keyboard as the prediction will disappear. Thank you.